Hey everyone! If you want to record your AnyDesk sessions in 2026 for tutorials, remote support, or documentation, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to record AnyDesk sessions step by step. First, connect to the remote computer using AnyDesk. Recording only works during an active session. Next, look at the top session toolbar. This is where all session controls are located, including recording options. Now click the record option to start capturing your session. This will begin recording everything happening on the remote screen. If prompted, confirm that you want to start recording. So, AnyDesk will now begin saving your session automatically. Now continue your work as usual. Everything you do on the remote screen will be captured in real time. When you're done, go back to the toolbar and click Stop Recording. This will end the capture and save your file. After stopping, the recording file will be saved on your computer. You can open it from the default save location in AnyDesk settings. You can also adjust recording settings like quality or file format, so this helps you optimize storage and video clarity. If needed, enable auto recording for all sessions. This is useful for IT support and monitoring. Finally, open your recording and review it to make sure everything was captured correctly. Always double-check your files, and that's it. You've successfully recorded an AnyDesk session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.